This video will cover properties of trigonometric functions. First, let's start with the domain and range. Hopefully you were able to realize this in section 5.2 when we learned about the unit circle, that the domain for the sine function is from negative infinity to infinity, as well as for the cosine, because we can put in any values for those and it will always give us out an output. However, the range is between -1 and 1. And if you think about it, if we're talking about a unit circle, remember the sine values were those x value or the y values and the cosine were the x values. None of these x and y values are going to be larger than 1, and none of them are going to be smaller than -1. Now, when we talk about tangent, we have a little bit of a different thing, and that's because we can't divide by 0. So for the domain of the tangent function, it's all real numbers with the exception of odd integer multiples of pi over 2. So for example, pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, those are all odd integer multiples. And then the range is from negative infinity to infinity.